Amanda here, thanks for joining me. Just doing some catching up. Quite a number of weeks ago, just before I got ill, I agreed to do a swap with a lovely lady that I know called Victoria Bunn. I've known her a long time, and I did video the swap that she sent me, and then I got poorly, and when I come back from being poorly, I don't know what I've done with the video. I don't know if I've deleted it, where it's gone, I can't find it anywhere, so I'm going to reshare. So I sent her a journal that I did recently. I did share it online and some of the process of making it, and this is what she sent me. So she sent me this lovely little handmade journal that she's made out of packaging. It's awesome, it's really pretty, and it is on her channel. If you want to go and have a look, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So it looks like she's reused like Amazon packaging and some paper packaging to make a little notebook, which is lovely. And we've got these lovely vintage ladies here, and we've got a pocket in the back with some bits and bobs of ephemera. It's really, really lovely, and I really like that. I might use that on something. Really, really pretty. So I don't know what I did with the video, and I've searched everywhere. I thought, have I uploaded it to YouTube and saved it? Is it on my laptop? Is it on my PC? Is it on the memory card? And I must have just deleted everything off my memory card in error. So I am sorry, Victoria, that this is a little bit late in sharing, but there we go. That is the little journal. Now the main thing she sent me was this lovely, it's like a vintage camera. Okay, can you see that? Let me just zoom out a right little bit. So it's like a storage box for keepsakes, and the front of it looks like a vintage camera. It's ever so clever, and it's got a handle and a lovely charm there, look. Very, very, very clever. It says memories, and then round the back here it says keepsakes, and this opens and it's like a little file folder to put your photos or whatever have you in there. It's lovely. It's a lovely, lovely idea. Don't know if she's got a video on making it. You'll have to go and have a look. Like I say, I'll leave a link to her channel below. We've got some lovely handmade flowers. I think they're handmade. I don't know. Don't suppose it matters, but they're lovely, lovely little flowers there, beautiful, and it says family there, and we've got this bling here, and it's really, really pretty, and this trim here, beautiful, really, really pretty. I was really surprised when he opened it, and I did think it was lovely, and the video was of me opening it and unboxing it, you know, my excitement and whatever have you, but unfortunately I've lost that video, so I'm ever so sorry. She did send me some lovely goodies as well. So she sent me this beautiful tag that she's made. I love handmade things. So it's like a loaded tag here. We've got a little vellum envelope with some bits in. And we've got a little tag there that she's embossed with embossing paste. I'm sure she's obviously used a stencil and then some modelling paste, beg your pardon, I'll get it right. So that's nice, and then that's the main one there. It's ever so nice, it's lovely as that. So I shall save that, and if I ever do another blue journal or birds and butterflies, I shall probably use it, because when people send me tags, I collect them all, and I do use them. I put them in journals and things so that they're not just sat doing nothing. And then she sent me some crafty goodies. She sent me these stickers. My next journal is going to be a gardening, not gardening, secret garden. So I may well see if I can use those. And then she sent me these stickers. It's a pack of six sheets of stickers, I think. Is it 6? I'm sure it says 6. It's quite a lot there anyway, either way. Sticker sheets, traditional designs. So they'll come in handy. They can go in journals and things. So they're lovely. And then she sent me these. I think she's made these like little embellishments for journals. They're pretty. Cheerful, gratitude, harmony and embrace. See the good in everything and be your own kind of beautiful. Really lovely. Really lovely. Then she made me this topper, which is lovely, which you can use, or like an ATC, but I should imagine it's more like a topper. And it says live, laugh, love on it. That's lovely, and the little tiny little flowers there, really pretty, and some sparkly gems. That's lovely. And then she also gifted me some of this paper. It's quite thin, it's like don't know, it's not quite rice paper and it's not quite decoupage, but it's very similar. So it's poppies. So she's gifted me some of that she's sharing with me, which is really kind. I like that one. Really beautiful. So I just wanted to share those because, like I say, I must have deleted the video. So that's from Victoria, and then I just want to also share this. So thank you, Victoria, and I'm ever so sorry for the delay in sharing that on my channel. I also just wanted to share this. I say thank you to everybody that sent me birthday wishes and birthday cards. I always get loads of birthday cards and I'm so grateful. I say I'm rubbish and I don't really send I don't send birthday cards. I'm absolutely rubbish. So I'm ever so grateful to all of my friends, and one of my lovely friends, Ian Potter, Crafting with Ian? I think that's his Stampin' Up name. He is a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and him and Liz always send me something for my birthday. So he sent me this lovely ATC that he's made with the Whale of a Time Stampin' Up set, which is absolutely lovely. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description box below as well. Really lovely. And then he made this lovely journal. I think he has shared this on his YouTube channel, and I was absolutely bowled over when I was the recipient of it. So this is some of the freebies from Artie Mays that is used here. And she's got these on her Facebook page, or she did have. You can also purchase them at a very, very small cost on her Etsy shop, I believe. And he's made me this lovely notebook. So we've got a pocket here with some little tags, double-sided, with butterflies. So I can tell here that he's obviously purchased a few kits and he's topped them with lace. He's done an awesome job. And then here he's used one of the notes printables that she's got, and he's double-sided it to make a little notebook. Isn't that awesome? I think that's really lovely. I'll have to ask him which one he's got this from, actually, with the notes on. So I wouldn't mind being reminded which one that's from. That's lovely. And he's hand sewn it there with some don't know if it's linen thread or wax thread, but there's quite a lot of pages there as well. It's beautiful. And then we've got that coloured side, and then we've got some ribbon just down the spine to tidy up where it's been sewn. It says timeless memories on it. It's absolutely lovely. I think he's done an amazing job, and these have been cut out. I think he's got a electric cutting machine, you know, like a scan and cut. I think he's scan and cut those, and then he's laid them up on dimensionals, so it looks really lovely. He's done an awesome job. So huge thank you to Ian, and a massive thank you to Victoria who sent me that. It's lovely. It's sat on my shelf. It's really pretty. I'm absolutely loving it, and I think it's a brilliant idea. Really lovely. So thank you to those two. Sorry for the delay in sharing. I really don't know what happened. I think in my delirious poorly state I must have deleted it. Bye. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.